10 high-zinc foods after tummy tuck that accelerate tissue repair. Recovering from a tummy tuck requires more than rest and medication, it also depends on proper nutrition. One essential nutrient for healing is zinc. This powerful mineral helps the body produce collagen, close wounds, and fight infection. Adding high-zinc foods after tummy tuck surgery can greatly speed up tissue repair and support a smoother recovery. 1. Lean beef. Lean beef is packed with zinc and protein, two vital nutrients for rebuilding skin and muscle. Eating small portions helps strengthen tissue and restore energy after surgery. 2. Pumpkin seeds. Pumpkin seeds are an easy snack full of zinc and antioxidants. They help fight inflammation and promote faster wound healing while also supporting healthy skin. 3. Oysters. Oysters contain more zinc than almost any other food. Just a few pieces can boost your zinc levels and enhance the body's ability to repair tissues after surgery. 4. Chickpeas. Chickpeas are a great plant-based source of zinc. They are gentle on the stomach and help support digestion, which can slow down during recovery. 5. Cashew nuts. Cashews provide healthy fats, protein, and zinc that work together to improve skin repair. A small handful a day can give your body an extra healing boost. 6. Chicken breast. Chicken breast is rich in lean protein and zinc. It helps your body form new cells and rebuild tissues without adding unnecessary fat. 7. Lentils. Lentils are full of zinc and fiber, making them excellent for both healing and digestion. They also contain iron and folate to support overall recovery. 8. Spinach. Spinach provides zinc, iron, and vitamin C, all of which help form new tissue and reduce inflammation. It's easy to add to soups, smoothies, or omelets. 9. Yogurt. Yogurt contains zinc and probiotics that support a healthy gut. A balanced gut improves nutrient absorption, which helps your body recover faster. 10. Dark chocolate. Dark chocolate with at least 70% cocoa is a sweet way to add zinc and antioxidants. It reduces stress and promotes healthy skin regeneration. Including high-zinc foods after tummy tuck surgery is a simple yet effective way to speed up healing. Zinc strengthens collagen, fights infection, and promotes healthy new tissue. By adding these 10 foods to your daily diet, you can recover faster and maintain your surgical results with confidence. And always consult with your doctor to get the best recommendation. Thanks for watching.